All right, in this episode, I'm going to show you how to set up room sizes. So I've already got a room created. I'll open that up here, and it's fairly small with very, very large sprites in it. Not quite very appropriate for what I'm trying to do here. So I need to resize some stuff here a little bit. There we go. Now I can see stuff a little bit better. Oh, and I'm working on a PC, so it's a little bit different. I can resize by using my scroll wheel, which is awesome. I don't know if you can do that on the Mac or not. But what I'm going to do is this. There's tabs at the top, and on the Mac there's a little arrow, little tiny arrow. You're going to arrow over until you find settings. Right now, here's my width and height of my room. Name room 1. So, yep, I'm going to change the width to 1200. And you'll see that extends it considerably farther. I can scroll over here and you can see. So I need to remap some things here, and that's fine. I'm also going to change the height. You know what? I'll just make it a nice square. 1200 by 1200. There we go. I've got a nice square area. Wait, is that a square? It doesn't look very square, but I guess it is. Okay, so there is my room. Speed of 30. I'm not sure what that means, speed of 30, but that's fine. I'll just leave it. And, oh, you know what? I'm going to change the width even wider so I can explore further. And this is going to be wider than my actual screen, my computer screen size. I'm going to set it to 2600. So it's going to be huge. Now, that poses a problem. If I run my game and I try to go to the edge of the room, I'm going to run off the screen and I won't see myself. So what I have to do is I have to set it up so the camera follows me. So I'm going to go into Views, the Views tab again at the top. I have to hit the little arrow key to get over there. I'm going to click on Enable the Use of Views, and I'm not sure, these must be different views that you can like save or something. It's default at View 0. I'm going to leave it like that. I'm going to click on Visible When Room Starts, and it gives you a little square. It's just a little teeny tiny line up here. That's how much is visible when the room starts. So the view in the room defaults at 640 by 480. It's around my original room size. And port on screen, 640 by 480. So that's how much is going to show on the screen. And let's see here. I want it to follow me, so I'm going to scroll down here and it says Object Following. I'm going to click My Good Guy. That's what it's following. I think what this is, HBOR and VBOR, is how much it expands when you get to the edge. So I'm going to set that to like, I don't know, 200 or 300, because I believe that's what makes the room expand. I could be wrong. Test it. I don't know. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to go back. Let's see, I got to fix my room here. Make it, oh boy, delete. Here's the one disadvantage. Delete all objects under cursor. Oh boy. There's no good way for me to delete these with the right click like the Mac. Oh boy, I just found the one weakness of the PC. Otherwise, the PC is pretty awesome. Otherwise, everything else seems to work much better than the Macs. Oops, and I'm putting bad guys in there that I don't intend to. So if you watched my first video of player movement, you'll know that one of them is going to chase me. Maybe two of them are going to chase me now. I'm not sure. But anyway, here, let's see. I'm going to put in some more bricks. The bricks don't really matter yet in my particular room because I don't have collisions set up for them, but at least it'll give you a good visual point so that you know that the room is actually moving when I test it here in just a second. Whoa, I'm drawing outside the room really bad now. Oh, man. Oh, well. There's some random bricks inside, again, so you can see that the room is actually moving. And I'm going to click OK. There are instances outside of the room. Should I remove them? Sure, remove them. Go ahead, do what you want. I'm going to save my game, and then I'm going to test my game, and you should see a working game. Where, okay, you see, yes, there we go. The room is expanding, just as I intended it to. Except it's going awfully close to the edge. I think I'm going to want to expand the view a little bit so I can see more around me, especially if there's a bad guy in front of me. I don't want to end up running into the bad guy before I even see him. And there's the edge of my room. One more thing about the rooms. You can change the size that is displayed on the screen. I'm going to change that here quickly so you can see it. I'm going to go back into my room settings, and I'm going to go to, yes, settings? No. Views? No. Oh, whoops, my bad. Global game settings. I'll click out of this. Down at the bottom, underneath all your folders, there's a global game settings. And right away, there's a graphics tab, and it says start in full screen mode. That puts it to full screen, so your game plays across your entire screen. Makes it kind of nice because you can see everything a little bit closer, not just a little window. Or if you like the window, you can, okay, down here just a little bit here, allow the player to resize the game window. So if I open up a window, I can like click in the corner and just drag it out and make the window just a little bit bigger. Makes it kind of nice. Anyway, there's my lesson on setting up rooms. Peace out.